Well, you guys, it seems like the beef between Gogo Skhotheni and Maweni is far from being over, as the two Gogos just keep on dragging each other every chance they get, you guys. This time, Gogo Maweni has decided to troll Skhotheni about her DJing skills and ubunyanga as she posted a video of herself acting like she was DJing, and in the background, you guys, she played music. Now, we all know that Gogo Skhotheni has been called out by people on social media for her DJing skills, whereby people are saying that she is forcing things. It looks like Uskotiza is supporting that notion, you guys. Now, after few minutes, she jokingly acted like she was in an ancestral trance, and idlozi has entered her body and it declined her from playing music, you guys. She laughed as she jokingly did her idlozi voice, and it was pretty much clear that she was subbing her fellow Gogo Skhotheni in that video, you guys. The title, which she titles, I guess idlozi has declined, as she posted that video on her TikTok. Anyways, guys, please do share with me in the comment section what your thoughts are. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share this video, and don't forget to follow the page so that you do not miss out whenever I upload a new video. Bye.